How to use ASOS Referral Program. Now, ASOS Refers, our friend program, allow existing customer to invite friend to shop on ASOS. When a referral friend makes the first purchase, they receive a discount, typically of 20% off, and the referral receives a 20% discount code for a future order. What you need is basically open the ASOS app onto your device, log into your existing ASOS account, and what here you need to do is just navigate to Refer a Friend section. So you can find this in the menu bar. Over here you have these app settings, all that. You could go to my account as well and look for these refer section, something like this. You should be able to find it here. You could also go ahead and look for these in other options as well. Saved, homes, app settings. Now, basically, what you have to do is you just want to go ahead and look for that option in the menu bar. Once you do this, you could share your unique link directly with your friend by text, email, or social medias as well. Your friend must tap the unique link to sign up and place the first order. They may need to enter your name at the checkout if prompted as well. Once your friend completes their first purchase, you will receive a code for about 20% off your next order. And this way you will be able to use a referral program for ASOS. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.